In this video, I will show you how to delete saved passwords in Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, all you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots, and on this menu that comes up, just come and hover over the option which says passwords and autofill. Then what you can do on this submenu is click onto Google Password Manager, and from here you can just scroll through and see the website basically that you want to delete your password for. From here, what you can now do is just scroll through and find the website that you want to delete your saved password for. So for example, let's take this website here. What you're going to want to do is give it a click, and sometimes it's going to ask you to enter your computer password. Once you've done that, it's going to give you a screen like this with the accounts that have a saved password for that website. So all you need to do is come and click the delete button for the password you want to delete, just like so. As you can see, it comes up saying password deleted in the bottom left hand corner, and that is how to delete saved passwords in Google Chrome. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.